Okay, walking into the garage. It's a large workbench, poured cement floor, big door, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 feet tall. Electric door opener. There's some built-in storage. Looks like he's got a freezer, workbox, shelf back there for some additional storage. Looks like this is part of the COVID-19 thing. We can't do any returnables, so he's been collecting them. He's got some hunting gear, another refrigerator out here, and a very organized tool rack. Two windows, 4 windows actually, 2 on each side. They open. This is not insulated, it's not heated. And if you look out here, oh, look at that, it's another garage door. I almost missed it. So you could actually drive through. I'll walk out back and see what's out there. It's the backyard.